Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Edith. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 12 affiliate products that you are going to promote as a beginner without a website. I'm going to share with you 12 auto approval affiliate marketing products for you in this video so that you can promote them as a complete beginner, because most affiliate marketing products needs you to have a large audience. They want you to have a certain amount of followers in either YouTube, Instagram, or they expect you to have a big website with a lot of traffic. But these 12 I am going to share with you in this video, it does not require those things. So as a beginner, you are going to get approved immediately and you will start promoting. I have signed up to all of these 12 affiliate marketing programs, and that is why I am sharing with you. So let's dive straight into it. The first affiliate marketing product you are supposed to promote as a beginner is in Digitalworks.com. So what is in Digitalworks.com? In Digitalworks is a PLR site where they give you free PLL, and also they have paid version of PLL books too that you can buy and use it, or you can buy and use it as a lead magnet to get emails from prospects. So that is basically how the platform is. Just PIR, they deal with PIR products, basically both videos and books, and name them all, they have it there. So in Digitalworks, that is one of the products I signed up to. Then you can even sell that product. You sell it, they give you permission to sell it. So you sign up as the affiliate, you pick their book free of charge. They have free ones and they have paid ones. You can even sell those free ones too as well. So that's one of the things, one of the products I signed up to recently and want to start promoting. Then the second one is Uplift. I've talked about Uplift in my previous videos before. Uplift is a platform where they grow your Instagram accounts. So if you have a friend that is looking for how to grow his or her Instagram account, that is what Uplift does. You can easily sign up to it and start promoting them. Then the third product I am going to mention is again TubeBuddy. What is TubeBuddy? TubeBuddy is a YouTube analytics product. It shows you the click-through rates, what thumbnails they click most, what thumbnails got the most click, and how many of your videos are getting total views, and how many are getting less views, how many are getting more views, how many of your videos are getting more views, while how many are getting less views, where does the views come from, like, and also gives you idea of video titles and much more. It's just about YouTube. So you sign up, they accept everybody from anywhere. So sign up to TubeBuddy today and you get approved immediately. The first product you are going to promote is GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing software. So if you want to promote it, it is free of charge. They won't ask you for anything. They won't ask you for audience. All they will ask for is a website. And if you don't have a website, fine. What you're going to do is to just go to Medium, sign up with your email. Medium.com is going to give you a unique URL, your blog, your personal blog. So you are just going to click on that URL Medium is going to give you, and you put it there. In case you don't know what Medium is a large blog forum, like people write about things and stuff. So if you just sign up, they're going to give you your personal URL. You have your personal blog in Medium. So you carry that Medium URL and go and put in that GetResponse page to feed it there, and you are going to get approved. That was what I did because I don't have a website too as well. Then the first one is System.io. System.io too is an online marketing software, email marketing software. It does a lot of things. It helps you create your online courses, emails, even create your own blog in System.io. It does a lot of things, and they are not even going to ask you for a website. You just sign up. If they ask you for a website again, you go and do that one. Then you go and go to Medium again, like I said, copy the URL there and put it there. automatically you are good to go. They don't go and check to see how many followers you have or anything. They don't do that. So that is the fifth one I am going to share with you, system.io. The sixth product I'm going to talk about is Fiverr. I talk about it a lot because that is what I'm actively promoting at the moment. So Fiverr is, if you don't know what Fiverr is, okay, Fiverr is a marketplace where freelancers and clients come together, and Fiverr basically just provide the avenue for freelancers and clients to come and interact to, for them to get their job done quick, easily, and they go. So what you're going to do as a Fiverr affiliate is to bring clients to come and patronize the freelancers that are in Fiverr. So that is what they basically want. So you go to platforms like Quora, Reddit, or any social media platform that are looking for, oh please, how can I hire somebody that will edit my YouTube videos for me? You direct the person, oh okay, we are looking for someone to hire a video editor. If you are looking for a way to hire a video editor, Fiverr is a great platform. Come to Fiverr, and if you are going to get a very professional video editor, and also as a very affordable rate. You tell the person that put your link. Once the person buys, you get commission, and they don't ask for anything. They don't ask for a website. You just easily apply. You can apply from anywhere in the world, and you will get approved. Then the seventh one we are going to promote is Alison. Alison. What, in case you don't know what Alison is like Coursera, is like FutureLearn, is like all these learning platforms, it's like all these different learning platforms that you can just go to take courses, and you are going to get a certificate. So immediately you sign up to Alison, they have, if you go to their website, they have affiliate section. You go there, you sign up easily. They won't ask you for website. They just want you to promote the platform that they have. Now they have nice courses there. So you just go get the link and start promoting. So that is one of the affiliate marketing products that I just signed up to recently. That is why I'm staying with you. And if you are getting value out of this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about it on the comments. Just let me know you're getting value out of it on the comment section down below, and let's dive straight into the eighth one. So the eighth product I'm going to share with you as a beginner for you to promote is a CPL Lead. What is CPL Lead? CPL Lead is a CPA marketing platform that allows everybody to come and just join and start promoting the services. Their own is kind of slightly different. You have to learn about CPA marketing method first before you be able to make any sales, and their own cost is very different, like $1, 50 cents, and stuff like that. But people are still making massive money from it. So I just signed up to CPA Lead too as well. It is easy and free to sign up to. Most of these products I mentioned, the link is going to be in the description, although not all. So if you check and you see anyone that is in the description, you can just click on it and sign up easily. But anyone you don't see, you can go to the website and sign up for it. Moving forward, the ninth product that you can easily promote is Jvzoo. What is Jvzoo? Jvzoo is a marketing platform where it's just like Digistore 24 and Warrior Plus, or just like Impact.com. But Jvzoo basically allows everybody, everybody to join as far as you can promote. They easily accept you, and they are going to join, and you start promoting the products there on Jvzoo. You know, Clickbank too is another platform like Jvzoo, but they are not in all countries. But Jvzoo is for everybody in the world to join. It is free for everybody to join. Anybody that can join. They don't select certain region. They don't say, okay, they don't say people in certain region will join while some will not join. It is global and free for everybody to join. That is one of the affiliate marketing programs that I joined recently, and I got approved. So that is why I am sharing that with you too as well. So the 10th affiliate marketing program we are going to join is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus 2 is like Jvzoo. I have signed up to it too as well, and I got approved easily. So sign up to Warrior Plus and start promoting the products there. Then the 11th product as we are going to promote, Jasper. What is Jasper? Jasper is a writing machine that helps you to, let me just put it this way. Jasper is a writing machine that allows you to basically just use the artificial intelligence to write your article for you sharply. You don't even have to brainstorm. All you need to do is to just put the topic there. Then they are going to generate the top they are going to just basically generate content for you to start posting online. So if you're a writer, it is mostly useful to writers. So and it is free to join. You can just join as an affiliate and start promoting it to writers so that they can join. They have free trial, and they have free trial. Then you don't pay after the free trial. So go and join the Jasper affiliate program and start promoting. Then the final one you are going to promote is Payoneer. What is Payoneer? In case for people who don't know what Payoneer is simply like PayPal, platform like PayPal that allows transactions to be made globally. So that is what Payoneer is. So Payoneer, you sign up to Payoneer, and you sign up not as an affiliate but as partner who will refer a friend. Because if you want to become a Payoneer affiliate, you are going to have a certain amount of followers and audience and stuff like that. But you can still refer a friend. You can join the refer program, and anybody you bring that starts using the platform to generate like $1,000 from the platform, you are going to get a commission from that $1,000 the person you brought made in Payoneer. So you are going to get your own cut. That is how the Payoneer affiliate program works with you. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think about it on the comment section down below. And thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.